In today's digital world, cyber attacks are a growing threat to individuals and organizations alike. Understanding the different types of cyber attacks is crucial to safeguarding your data and systems. Phishing, malware, ransomware, DOS and DDoS, man-in-the-middle, MITM, SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, credential stuffing, zero-day exploits, advanced persistent threats, APTs, insider threats, brute force attacks, social engineering, supply chain attacks, IoT attacks. Phishing is one of the most common types of cyber attacks. Attackers send deceptive emails or messages to trick individuals into revealing personal information or downloading malicious software. Malware, short for malicious software, includes viruses, worms, trojans, and ransomware. These programs are designed to harm or exploit devices, networks, or services. Ransomware is a devastating attack where your files are encrypted and held hostage until a ransom is paid. It can bring businesses to a halt and cause significant financial damage. Paying the ransom doesn't guarantee file recovery. Protect yourself with robust security measures and regular backups. Prevention is key. Denial of service, DOS, and distributed denial of service, DDoS, attacks flood systems with excessive traffic, making websites or networks unusable. These attacks disrupt business operations and can cause significant financial losses. Attackers often use botnets to amplify the impact. Robust security measures and traffic management are essential to defend against them. Stay prepared to mitigate these disruptive threats. Man-in-the-middle, MITM, attacks secretly intercept and alter communications between two parties. Hackers use this technique to steal sensitive information like login credentials and financial details. These attacks are hard to detect and can have serious consequences. Encrypting communications and using secure networks are key defenses. Always ensure your connections are secure to protect your data. SQL injection attacks exploit web application vulnerabilities by injecting malicious SQL code. This allows attackers to gain unauthorized access to databases, stealing or manipulating data. It's a serious threat to data security. Implementing proper input validation and prepared statements can prevent these attacks. Secure your applications to protect your data. Cross-site scripting, XSS, injects malicious scripts into web pages that other users view. This allows attackers to steal sensitive information or perform actions on behalf of users. XSS is a common vulnerability in many web applications. It can lead to data breaches and compromised accounts. Sanitizing inputs and using secure coding practices can prevent XSS attacks. Always validate and escape user inputs to protect your users. Credential stuffing uses stolen username and password combinations to gain unauthorized access to multiple accounts. This method exploits the common habit of reusing passwords across different sites. Once attackers have one set of credentials, they can access many accounts. Using unique, strong passwords for each account is crucial. Enable multi-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security and protect against these attacks. Zero-day exploits attack previously unknown vulnerabilities in software or hardware before developers can issue a patch. These attacks are particularly dangerous because there are no existing defenses at the time of the attack. They can lead to severe data breaches, system failures, and significant financial losses. Rapid response and efficient patch management are critical to mitigating these threats. Regular updates, continuous monitoring, and leveraging threat intelligence are essential for effective protection. Staying proactive is the best defense against zero-day exploits. Insider threats involve attacks or data breaches caused by individuals within an organization, either intentionally or unintentionally. These threats can come from disgruntled employees, careless actions, or compromised accounts. Insider threats are particularly dangerous because they bypass external defenses. Implementing strict access controls, regular monitoring, and employee training can help mitigate these risks. It's crucial to foster a culture of security awareness. Detecting and responding to insider threats promptly is essential for protecting sensitive information. Brute force attacks systematically try every possible combination of passwords to gain access to accounts. These attacks are relentless and can crack weak passwords in minutes. Using complex, unique passwords significantly reduces the risk. Implementing account lockout policies after multiple failed attempts can also help. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of defense. Protect your accounts by strengthening your passwords and security measures. Social engineering manipulates individuals into divulging confidential information or performing actions that compromise security. Attackers use psychological tricks, such as pretending to be trusted figures or creating a sense of urgency. These tactics exploit human vulnerabilities rather than technical flaws. Training and awareness are key to preventing social engineering attacks. Always verify the identity of anyone requesting sensitive information. Developing a skeptical and cautious mindset can protect against these deceptive tactics. IoT, Internet of Things. Attacks exploit vulnerabilities in connected devices to gain access to networks or other devices. With more smart devices in homes and businesses, the attack surface has expanded. Many IoT devices lack robust security features, making them easy targets. Regularly updating firmware and changing default passwords are critical steps. Implementing network segmentation can limit the impact of a compromised device. Secure your IoT ecosystem to protect your entire network from these emerging threats. Understanding the various types of cyber attacks is your first line of defense. Knowledge empowers you to recognize and respond to threats effectively. Implementing strong security practices and staying informed about the latest threats can safeguard your data and systems. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, making vigilance essential. Regular updates, employee training, and robust defenses can make all the difference. Stay proactive and prioritize cybersecurity to protect your digital environment. Remember, a secure organization is a resilient one. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay secure.